Let me show you how to connect your V66 drone to a phone app, so you can take pictures, record videos, or also even control it from the phone app. So yep, we can either control this drone from our phone or also the remote, so which is absolutely cool. So first you have to download this app called Wi-Fi UAV. It's available on the Play Store and also Apple Store. Here is QR code from the manual if you maybe need to scan it. But again, simply search for this name, and before you actually open the app, make sure to turn on your camera, and make sure it's basically like flashing like this in the pairing mode. Then let's open up the app. So and then click over here. This drone actually creates its own Wi-Fi network that we need to connect to. So click over here and basically find this network that the drone created. So most likely it will be called like this flow and then some numbers basically. So click that and connect to the new Wi-Fi network that the drone created. So connected, no internet access, that's what you should see. So then let's go back and click start over here. And then as you see instantly, so my camera actually basically gets connected over here. By the way, this drone also has got another camera basically on the bottom, so over here. And if you want to switch to the bottom camera, you can simply press this thing over here, and then you see basically it switches to the bottom camera over there. And if you want to start video recording, we can simply press this button over here. So and basically video gets recorded. You see we have timer running. And also we can take a picture here as well. And if you want to see the results, click over here and you can see, for example, your videos or pictures or whatever you have. And also we can actually control this drone from the phone app as well. So make sure again it's in the blinking mode and it's actually not connected to the remote. So again, we can only use either the controls from the remote or the phone, but not both at the same time. So decide basically on which device you actually want to control it from. So if from the phone, we can simply press this airplane mode and then to try to attempt basically pair basically for the flying mode. Once it stays like this, so still, we can essentially start flying the drone. So we have this automatic takeoff function over here, or also you see you can so start up the engine and also end it. So again, use this to lift up and also this to basically go on all sides of the drone, and the controls are actually decent on the phone as a app as well. And obviously it's also possible to basically put your phone on the controller over here and then simply use the controls basically with the drone and simply use this to record the video. But again, so simply literally turn off your drone. So and pair it first obviously with your remote, so basically, and then pair it in the app as well to get that. So and by the way, if you also want to purchase this drone, I'll leave a special discount link in the description where you can get it for the cheapest price on AliExpress. Personally, I paid only a bit over $10 for mine, and that also includes free shipping. So again, that is probably the cheapest place where you can get. So on AliExpress again. Basically check out the special discount link if you want to get it also for the same price. And when it comes to all cheap drones, I think this really is by far the best. Not only it's very stable, but also durability wise, again, it's really rock solid. So also great controls, decent enough camera for the price, obviously not a professional grade, again, just for basic stuff, pretty decent actually. So pretty cool drone. Good luck.